Ever pondered on how to scale Laravel applications for high availability? In the digital age where users demand seamless, uninterrupted service, it's crucial to have applications that can handle high traffic and assure minimal downtime. Laravel, a renowned PHP web application framework, can be an excellent tool for crafting such applications. But the question of how to scale it for high availability requires strategic thought and planning. High availability, often abbreviated as HA, is a system's capacity to stay operational and accessible over a prolonged period. This involves combating hardware failures, software issues, or any other unforeseen circumstances. To achieve this, meticulous planning and redundant infrastructure are a must to reduce downtime and ensure constant application access for users. Numerous factors come into play when scaling a Laravel application for high availability. These include database scalability, load balancing, caching, content delivery networks or CDNs, and auto-scaling. Several strategies can aid in scaling Laravel applications to achieve high availability. The first is horizontal scaling, which involves adding more servers to the existing pool to distribute the load evenly. Queue management can play a vital role in managing tasks asynchronously and improving application performance. A microservices architecture can break down the application into smaller, more manageable services that can scale independently. Database optimization is another crucial strategy, focusing on improving database queries and indexing to enhance application performance. Redundancy and failover solutions can ensure the application remains operational even if a server or service fails. Monitoring and alerting tools can provide real-time insights into the application's performance and alert you to any potential issues. A robust disaster recovery plan is essential to ensure quick recovery in the event of a catastrophic failure. Lastly, DDoS protection can safeguard your application from malicious attacks that could disrupt its availability. Of course, it's not enough to simply implement these strategies. Testing and tuning your Laravel application is a crucial part of scaling for high availability. Load testing, stress testing, and performance profiling can help identify bottlenecks and optimize the application's performance. Regular testing should become a part of your ongoing maintenance and scaling efforts. To sum up, high availability is a vital component of modern web applications, and Laravel offers the tools and flexibility needed to achieve it. By carefully considering scalability aspects, implementing the right strategies, and continuously monitoring and fine-tuning your application, you can ensure your Laravel-based high-availability application stays responsive and accessible to users, even when faced with increasing demand and unexpected challenges.